everybody, Pro Cube here, and right now we are in the middle of Hurricane Ian on the Atlantic coast side. So there's a lot of flooding right now, but today I'm going to be solving a Rubik's Cube in the middle of all of this. So I use the beginner method, which is slow, so I'm going to try to beat this because I don't really like standing out here. So 3, 2, 1, go. I already messed up. Done. So that was just solving the Rubik's Cube in the middle of the Hurricane Ian. So remember to stay safe during the hurricane, and remember to keep on cubing and have a good day. Bye. Remember to like and subscribe. I hope you liked the video. Bye.